Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use projects in QuickBooks Online. The project feature helps you to track income, expenses, and profitability for individual jobs or clients. Let me show you how to make use of that. So the first step is to enable projects. Go to Settings, Accounts and Settings, and then select Advanced from the left menu. Then find Project, toggle it on, and click Save. Next is to create a project. So go to Projects in the left menu and then click New Project. Then you're going to enter the project name, choose the customer, and then click Save. Next is to add transactions to a project. There's invoice, so just create an invoice for the project's customer and link it to the project. There's also expenses/bills. When recording costs, you want to assign them to the project, and then time entries where you can log billable hours for the project. Step 4 is to monitor project profitability. To do this, open the project, view the dashboard showing income, cost, and profit margin. You can use filters to see reports for specific dates or specific activities. A pro tip is to use projects for client work, events, or for internal initiatives. You also want to review profitability regularly to avoid losses. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.